Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing okay, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can log into your cPanel hosting account through Namecheap, so let's get right into it. cPanel is basically a online Linux-based graphics user interface, which makes managing your website and your servers much easier. And to log in on Namecheap, or to your cPanel hosting account through Namecheap, I'll be using this article on the Namecheap site, so just keep that in mind. If you have any details that aren't clear, check it out. But without further ado, let's get started. Now, if you have ordered a shared hosting package on Namecheap, once it is activated, the cPanel auto login buttons will appear on your account panel. The most used tools are available in the Namecheap account as well, and you do not need to log into cPanel to manage the most important functions. However, if you do want to sign in, this is how you do it. First, you want to sign into your Namecheap account, then select the hosting list menu from the bar on your left. Once you do, you'll get redirected to the hosting subscriptions page. Then you want to find the main domain for the hosting account you want to access and click the Go to cPanel button, such as is outlined on this example here. And then from there on, you have some cPanel shortcuts which you can do. You can choose the manager option next to the hosting icon. You'll be redirected to the hosting product page. Once redirected, you can scroll to the software section and you'll see the most often viewed cPanel plugins. And in case you have more options, you can go to cPanel account from software section using the Go to cPanel button. And pretty much there is all there is to that. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.